So you might be on Facebook and you might be experiencing this type of error right here, where it's telling you that you basically have this query error and it's an error performing the query. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one issue and the reason why something like this can end up happening is because if randomly, if Facebook is having some random issues. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and basically make your way over into your app store just like this. And all you want to do is search up Facebook. So click on the bottom page right here. You want to go ahead and just type in Facebook, and just like this. And all you're going to want to do here is basically update your Facebook application. So go through Update Facebook, and that is the first thing I'd recommend doing. This, without a doubt, is probably going to be the way you're going to fix this problem. And that is exactly what I'd recommend doing here. So go ahead, try updating Facebook, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Which, like I said, for a vast majority of people, that might end up doing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and seeing if Facebook is actually down. And you can do this by going over to a website like downdetector.com, isitdownrightnow.com, one of those types of websites that will basically show you the services that are up and down. And all you're going to have to do here is make your way over into this website. Then you basically want to scroll down until you start seeing these particular websites. Now, if Facebook is down like it is right here, all you're going to have to do is basically just wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. A lot of the times these types of servers just end up going down randomly. And in situations like this, all you're going to have to do essentially is just to wait it out until Facebook fixes the problem. So once again, that's probably all you're going to have to do here too. That's another thing I recommend doing here as well. So those are the main things I'd recommend doing. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.